morning, students. Today we discuss about 12th accountancy. In this morning video, we start a new chapter, that is financial statement analysis. So in this chapter, we discuss about the meaning, definition, features, limitations of financial statement, and also meaning, definition, features, limitations of financial statement analysis. Some point of view, comparative statement, that is comparative income statement, comparative balance sheet, common size income statement, common size balance sheet, and trend analysis. First we discuss about meaning, definition, features, limitations of financial statement. So meaning of financial statement. Financial statement are the statement prepared by the business concern at the end of the accounting period to ascertain the operating result of and the financial position of the business. So in order to ascertain the result, that is operating result and the financial position of the business concern, the businessman should prepare financial statement, and this statement will help the business people during the accounting period what the result, whether profit or loss arise in the business, and also the financial condition of the business. So the basic financial statement prepared by business concern are income statement and a balance sheet. So income statement include a manufacturing account, trading account, and a profit loss account. It shows the net result of the business activities during an accounting period. Balance sheet is a statement of assets and liabilities which shows the financial position as on a particular date. So in this financial statement, we should prepare two types of statement: income statement and balance sheet. So income statement means it is a statement of manufacturing account, trading account, profit and loss account. Through this account, we can able to find out the result of the business, whether the business earn profit or suffer loss. And the balance sheet is one of the statement of assets and liabilities. The balance of assets and the liabilities will be taken to statement balance sheet, and it will help the business people to know the financial position of the business on a particular date. Features of financial statement. Financial statements are generally prepared at the end of the accounting period based on transactions recorded in the books of accounts. So during 1 year, during the particular period, this statement will be prepared based upon the records, financial transactions records in the books of accounts. These statements are prepared for the organization as a whole. So in full organization, all the activities are to be recorded, financial activities. Based upon that, this statement will be prepared. Information is presented in a meaningful way by grouping items of similar natures, such as fixed assets and current assets. So all the informations are to be recorded correctly by grouping the items under the various heads of ledgers. Financial statements are prepared based on the historical cost. So historical cost concept is to be followed in order to prepare this financial statement. Financial statements are prepared based on accounting principle and accounting standards which make financial statements comparable and realistic. So this statement are to be prepared based on the accounting principles, various accounting principles and accounting standards. Financial statement involve personal judgment in certain cases. For example, depreciation and what type of method of depreciation will be followed, percentage of reserves and provisions are to be followed strictly in the business concern in order to prepare this financial statement. Significance of financial statement. First one is to the management. So financial statement provide information to the management to take decision and to have control over business activities in various areas. In the various business field, that is production field, sales department, purchase department, and all the departments are to be maintained accounts properly in order to prepare this financial statement. So financial statement provide information to the management in order to take a decision to maintain the various areas of the business concern. To the shareholder point of view, financial statement help the shareholder to know whether the business has potential for growth and to decide to continue the shareholders. So to the shareholder point of view, this financial statement will help in order to know the business growth, whether the business are able to give the dividend properly or not, they can understood. To the potential investor, financial statement help to value the securities and compare it with those of other business concerns before making their investment decision. So investor point of view, they invest their money by way of purchasing shares and debentures from the business. So they should need the financial statement because of to know the value of securities in their hands and also to compare it with other business whether the value of securities will be increased or not. To the creditors point of view, creditors can get information about the ability of business to repay the debt from financial statement. So creditors means credit suppliers. They will also need the financial statement because of they must know the ability to pay the debt of the business, whether the business are ready to pay the credit to them in order to purchase the product on credit. To the banker point of view, information given in the financial statement is significant to the bankers to assess whether there is adequate security to cover the amount of loan or overdraft. So whenever the business borrow money from the bank or overdrawn money from the account, so the banker will be able to know with the help of the financial statement whether the business is ready to repay the loan amount or overdrawn amount. To the government point of view, financial statements are significant to government to assess the tax liability of business concerns and to frame and amend industrial policies. So the government point of view, this statement will help the government to significant to assess the tax liability of the business and also fix the new policies, industrial policies, not to follow by the business in their activities. To the employee point of view, through the financial statement, the employee can assess the ability of the business to pay salary and whether they have future growth in the concern. So the employee point of view also they should need the financial statement informations because of they want to know whether the concern are able to pay the salary regularly or not, and also the growth of the business in future. Then limitations point of view. There are some drawbacks while using the financial statement. Lack of qualitative information. So qualitative information, that is non-monetary information, is also important for business decisions. So informations which are provided through the financial statement will have sometime a non-monetary position. Record of historical data. Financial statements are prepared based on the historical data. They may not reflect the current positions. Ignore price level changes. Adjustments for price level changes are not made in the financial statements. Hence, financial statements may not reveal the current positions. Lack of consistency. Different business concerns may use different accounting methods. Hence, comparison between two business concerns is not possible. Give only interim reports. Financial statements are prepared at the end of the every accounting period, but the actual position of the business can be known only when the business is closed. So hence, financial statements may not reveal the exact position of the business concerns. So not always, but in sometimes the information provided in the financial statement will not be a relevant information for the current year. Limited access to external users. The external users do not have detailed and frequent information of financial results as they have limited access. So external users means the bankers, creditors, and other government point of view. So they will not access full information from the financial statement. Influenced by personal judgment. Preparation of financial statement may be influenced by personal judgments, and therefore they are not free from bias. So what are the information given in the financial statement? It is useful for the personal judgment of the concerned persons. So not always, in sometimes only they will assess the business at right positions. So these are some of the limitation of the business financial statement. So with that we conclude this morning video. Students, go through all the topics which are taught in this video. Write all the topics with answers in your accounts ruled assignment notebook. Keep the notebook safely and bring it on school reopening day without fail. Thank you.